Welcome to the final lecture in this course. We are going to focus on one of my favorite topics, organizational culture. By the end of this lecture, we want you to be able to describe the common characteristics of organizational culture, compare the functions and liabilities of organizational culture, identify some of the factors that create, sustain, and transmit culture to employees. And finally, we want you to be able to describe the steps that managers can take to shape both ethical cultures and positive cultures. Effective leaders understand the internal forces and the external forces that influence their organizations. One such force is organizational culture, or the shared set of values, norms, and assumptions among the people of an organization. A company's culture is unique. No two cultures are exactly alike. So, culture is a distinguishing feature of organizations. In some situations, it can be used to attract and retain the most talented employees in a business. Organizational culture is embedded within the other elements of an organization, including its mission, vision, leadership, communication, rewards and recognition programs, performance measurement. Shaping a culture to support the organization's vision, mission, and strategy can be one of the most challenging aspects of a manager's job. The graphic here on this slide presents organizational culture as an intervening variable, something that influences how objective factors influence performance and satisfaction. Take a look at some of the objective factors: adaptability, detail orientation, results, outcome orientation, people, customer orientation, collaboration, team orientation, and integrity. People in the organization and outside the organization perceive these objective factors as part of the culture. Depending on the level of agreement among the people in the organization, the culture is either strong or weak. Strong cultures tend to have a stronger effect on performance and satisfaction than weak cultures. Like structure, culture will form whether we want it to or not. We should participate in the process in the shaping of culture so that we can be more intentional and proactive. After all, the culture will guide people's behavior. By now, you probably realize that organizational culture is extremely complex. This is to be expected when we consider how many people are sometimes involved in shaping it. The process begins with the founders and their values. Culture is then sustained through selection, management, and socialization practices.